Good morning, students. Welcome in computer class of 7th standard, and we are doing chapter number 9 using list, images and links. In our previous class we have learnt about nested list, definition list and marquee tag. So in today's class we will learn inserting images, the image tag and its attributes. So start with the first topic, inserting images. As we can insert text in web page, in the same way we can insert graphics, drawing, painting, charts, etc. Some widely used formats are GIF, PNG and JPG for pictures. Web browsers support various graphics formats. There are two types of images. One is inline image and second one is external image. Inline image means the inline image is displayed when the web page is opened and is inserted within a line of the text. It means the inline image is displayed automatically when you will open your web page. Here you have to just give the name of the image. But the second one is external image. External image is not displayed automatically with other content on the web page. For that, here you have to create a link first of all. When you will click on that link, then it will display on your web page. Next is the image tag. With the help of this tag, we can see our image on the web page. The image tag is used to add images in an HTML page. It is an empty tag, no need to close it, and requires different attributes to be specified with it. Syntax of this tag is angular bracket start image img. We will not write the full, we will write only img, and then we will write short form of source src is equal to, in double quotes we will give the path of the image and then close the angular bracket. These are the attributes of image tag. src means source, height and width, align, and alt means alternate. src attribute helps in defining the source of an image. Means we can give the path of an image using this source attribute. While specifying the image file, one should be aware of its location, that is where the file is exist. Let us understand it with the following cases. Case 1, angular bracket start image. For image we will write img, and source, for source we will write src is equal to, under double quotes I have given the file name and then angular bracket close. Means if the file image pic1.jpg lies in the same folder where the referring HTML file is located, then we can refer the image file by simply writing its name. Case 2, again angular bracket start image tag source is equal to, and under double quotes I have written the path of the file. Means if the image file is in another directory where HTML file is placed, then we can refer to the image by specifying full path of the file. Like here under C drive, user folder, pictures folder, and then our picture is pic1.jpg. Now the case 3, if the file image doesn't lie in your computer, rather it is located in the images folder of the new web server of Google, then we need to give full path of the file. Now let's see the practical. Now I'm going to open my web page in Notepad. After mark you tag, I'm going to start image tag, angular bracket start, img, and then src is equal to, here you have to give your file name. Like you can see on this desktop, my image is with my web page, means with my HTML page. So here I will write simply its name, file name. Under double quotes, I will write image. You can see the file name is img dot, I will write the extension of the file jpg, double quotes close. Now angular bracket close. Save your work using Ctrl+S. Now see the output. Now you can see the image is inserted on the web page.
Now in the second case, if your image is in another drive, then how we can do? For that, let's see the practical. Now here you can see your images in this PC and then new volume E drive, and under E drive it is in new folder. For that, copy the path of this image, right click on the image and then select open with option and then open your picture in Internet Explorer. From here you can copy the path. Here you can see E drive, new folder, image.jpg. Click over there and press Ctrl C. Copy the path. Now open Notepad window and paste here. After equal to Ctrl V and put double quotes. And then press Ctrl S. Now see the output. Now you can see your image is inserted on the web page.
Now the third case is if the image file doesn't lie in your computer. So we have to take the picture from the internet. And how we can give the path? Firstly, open the Google Chrome, any internet web browser, and search the images for you. Now here you can see I have selected this picture. Now copy the path of this picture, right click over there. Now copy image address. Now move to the Notepad window and paste over here under double quotes like this. Now press the Ctrl S. Now see the output. Now you can see the image is inserted on the web page. So these are the three ways using you can insert the image on the web page. Now students, here you can see I have inserted one image, image.jpg, which is located under E drive in new folder. Now I'll show you this image on the web browser and see the height and width of the image. Here you can see the height and width of the image. Now I want to change the height and the width of the image. For that, I will use the attribute height and width under image source. Space, type height, HEIGHT, is equal to, in double quotes write down the height. Here I have given 500, and then space, write down the width attribute is equal to, again under double quotes write down the width of the image. Press Ctrl S from the keyboard. Now see the output on the web browser. Refresh it. Here you can see the height of the image and width of the image is changed. So height and width attribute is used to change the height and the width of the image on the web page. Now here I'm going to use align attribute, ALIGN With the help of this attribute, you can set the position of the image. There are different values: right, left, top, middle and bottom. You can set according to yourself. Like now I want to set our position right side. Under double quotes you have to write now Control S. Now see the output. Double click on it. Now you can see the position of the image is at the right side. Now this is all about of inline image. Now I'm going to tell you about the external image. Now students, I'm going to use next attribute, that is alt attribute. Sometimes a browser on the user's computer doesn't display images due to some reason, maybe because of slow connection or error in the source attribute. In that case, you can display the alternate text for the images with the help of alt attribute. So let's see. For that, under image source, we will write alt is equal to double quote starts. Now here you will write the text that you want to show in the place of image. Here I am going to write beautiful flower, double quote close. Now here I am going to delete this name of the image so that error will occur. Now press Ctrl S. Now see the output. Double click over there. Now you can see in place of image the text is displayed beautiful flower. So this is alt attribute. So students, this is all about of today's class. Here we have learnt about inserting images, the image tag and its attributes. So do practice of these things at home on your computers. Thank you.